Hey everyone, this is Professor Eskew. I just wanted to check in and see how everyone is doing. Wanted to let you know that I graded the discussion board number 1. You guys did a great job on that. I really appreciate all of the work that you put into that and getting to know each one of you a little bit better. You did a great job on responding to your classmates as well. A couple of you missed some of the due dates. I didn't ding you this time, but going forward, make sure that you are getting your due dates correct. And the best way to do that is go out to either check the announcements, because I tell you in the announcements, it's also in your schedule of classes at the end of the syllabus, or you can do it by going into the actual discussion board and it gives you 2 dates as well. Okay? And here's another reminder. So you should be making sure that you get your first post completed, get your homework for the 2 chapters, and the quiz done by Sunday. Okay? Hope you had a great holiday. And if you need anything, give me an email. Thanks so much. See you later.